Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you saw the last video, you would have seen the BMW that I posted and how I got it for a relatively cheap price. However, I did mention that the suspension needed replacing. From what I can see, I ended up buying suspension for both ends. So Halfords quoted me £800 for this piece of work and the parts. However, that price was ridiculous and I was considering just selling the car. However, I've managed to find another provider who sold it for much cheaper, like really cheap. Stick to the end and you'll see how much I got it for. I am having to do a voiceover because the explaining that I was doing in the video and the audio was just rubbish, so do bear with me. The packaging came very well intact, it wasn't squashed. This is coming all the way from Germany. This company is called Autodoc. They're a German company. They're like Euro car parts but Germany, and they basically sell you parts from Germany. I was really concerned before I placed my order, or even after it, because I thought it's gonna take ages or I was gonna face some sort of issue, but I didn't. So now let's get straight into it and open the box. As you can see, the packaging is great. I did buy a lot of stuff, like the stuff was quite cheap. First thing I bought was a shock absorber. I bought a pair of two. As you can see there, a company called Daco Germany, and I was just really happy that stuff wasn't made in China. I couldn't see any logo around that says made in China, also Germany all over. This stuff is quite heavy. This shock absorber was very heavy. You can feel the quality. It's all new. I'm really pleased with the quality, especially knowing how much it cost me. So moving away the covering, look at how much stuff I've managed to get. Like, it was such a bargain. So I bought some extra wiper blades, I bought a fuel filter, and I think I bought like a tire pressure sensor or something. So these are the wipers. I've already placed them on my car. I couldn't complain. Very smooth, very easy to put on, quality is great. I just could not complain. Then I bought the fuel filter. So this is a fuel filter. Next I got the track rods, or the track rod assembly for both sides. Now this one was really cheap, and I was worried that something was going to be wrong or it was going to be a small piece of it, but the quality is really good. You can see there, it's both ends and it's the full thing. It's not like one end or the other, so I'm really pleased with this. Last and finally was the coils. They're fresh coils, as you're going to see now. They're really good quality and I'm really happy with them. I honestly thought I was going to get some secondhand part, but these all look perfectly fine so far. Now I am going to get them fitted soon, so I'll update you guys on how that went. Let's go over to the invoice and I'm going to show you a comparison of the price that I paid compared to Halfords and Euro car parts. Okay guys, so now on to the price comparison. I'm checking out Euro car parts and Halfords. I got them item by item. So the coils will set me back £52, the wipers 40, the shock absorbers are £80 and £82, and the fuel filters 34. The track rod assembly is 63 and 63. So I've added all those up and it comes up to 466. Now quickly going over to Halfords, I've done the exact same thing. I got all the items and that came up to 591. This is for the items alone. Labor is probably another 200 or maybe even 300, I don't know. Anyways, so let me show you how much I paid through Autodoc. Let me show you this. So the shock absorbers, £19 each. Bear in mind, I did take a 40% sale that they had, but they always have sales similar to like Euro car parts. Anyways, so the shock absorbers, £19 each. Fuel filter, £12. Wiper blades, £4 for each one. Coil spring, £11. And the adhesive and the valve cap I got extra, so I'm going to exclude them for now, but it's still cheap. Rod assembly, £16. This would have set me back £120 if I was to go to Halfords or Euro car parts. And then I used just a referral code, so I'll give you guys referral code down there and it should give you some sort of like discount as well. So in total, so by the way, it's £8 shipping unless your order is over £140. So I paid £7 shipping and the grand total was 125. How crazy is that? This is just ludicrous. It's crazy. I'm sending it to the mechanic to get replaced. I'll obviously update you guys once that's done, and I'll show you everything. I'll also show you the old parts when I get them, to show you the state of how they were. So I definitely recommend this site. Customer service is lacking a little bit, but the products are fine, the price is amazing. I definitely recommend it. I put a link down below. It's a referral link, so that should give you guys a discount. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's see how this BMW pans out. See you soon. Bye.